Welcome to the Big Wipes demo team. This is carbon black silicone, pretty much the worst thing you can get on your hands, tools or surfaces. I'm going to add some solvent based trade paint just here and I'm going to paste that on. And just to make this a real challenge, let's add some auto grease as well. Now, it's not just hands that it's difficult to get this stuff off, but your surfaces too. And the worst thing, PU foam. Let's get some PU foam in there. Oh, there we go. One of the worst things you can get on your hands, tools or surfaces, and especially difficult to get out of the hairs in your arms. Introducing Big Wipes Heavy Duty 4x4. Textured side goes face down on the area that you want to clean, and with Big Wipes it's not a question of will it get it all off, it's just a question of, well, how quickly. So that was quick. And I almost got that hand for free. Now, you'll notice even though the wipe is impregnated with all that grime, it doesn't transfer it back onto your hands, which means the wipe can do some more cleaning. So, the muck in my arm here, let's take this. And my surfaces, same dirty wipe, same dirty side. Without redepositing or redistributing any of the grime off the tile or around the surface, every time I go over a new area of grime, as you can see, the wipe just hoovers it straight up. Look at that. And yet, same dirty wipe, and it does not transfer back onto your hands. Now, you would say that that tile is pretty clean. So the heavy duty got the worst of the muck off, but for a really professional, high quality finish, you need to use the multi-surface. A super absorbent wipe made from a natural viscous material. This wipe hoovers up microscopic dirt, will remove fingerprints and absorb residual leftover muck and grime. So let's have a quick look. Introducing the Big Wipes Power Spray, a litre of the solution that all the wipes are saturated in. It contains the 4 different skin conditioners and the 4 cosmetically graded power solvents. It's also preservative-free, biodegradable, antibacterial, dermatologically tested, and it meets every EU regulation concerning cosmetics. Well, what is it used for? Pre-treating large surface areas, so you don't have to use as many wipes when wiping down. And also, of course, you can use it to recharge wipes that have dried out, so you can give them that extra power to continue cleaning. This is the new Big Wipes van and wall bracket, the Cage. Made from a very robust polycarbonate, it's fully adjustable, so you can get the tubs in and out easily. Simply mount somewhere convenient so you never have to look for your Big Wipes again.